Okay, so we're gonna do who's
Most likely to.
most likely to. So Allie, you can start.
We'll go like this.
Yeah, so we got Elena, Allie, and Kylie, but you can't really see in the camera.
Yeah,
So
we got
We'll
the
say
words.
it. We'll say it.
We'll like bring it up kind of a little so you can see.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a
So
good one to go.
all right. Who is most likely to run into a glass door?
It's keep on sliding now.
Okay. It is. Very fun.
I know.
Ready? Three,
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Elena.
Kylie.
I put Elena.
I would totally do that.
I like
No,
that nobody
I
put
would.
me. I would suspect
At
that for
school,
myself, too.
I run into doors every day. Like I'll be like, so Julia. Ouch.
Yeah, I do. I'm really
Mom, aren't I
clumsy.
most likely to run into a door? She gets me. Okay, who's
how
most
they
likely to go to jail?
Wow. Like that's like.
Ready?
I don't know. I'm not even ready.
Ready?
No, it's like I'm so clumsy.
3, 2, 1.
Elena.
Elena. Do we all put Lainey?
Yeah, because I saw Lainey's answer. So
I don't think she
changed
would
it.
do anything bad. I feel like you'd like do an act, like it'd be an accident. You would like
I'm
accident.
so sorry.
I'm so sorry. But, like you're arrested.
Who's most likely?
Oh, rebel.
Radio rebel. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Who's most likely to fart and blame it on the person next to them?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Me.
Me.
We all put ourselves.
I blame
I
everybody
know.
for
Me
farts.
too.
So I guess it means
Except
we all
at
do that.
school, one guy blamed it on me. I'm like, what? Did I fart? Round number 2.
Round 2.
Okay, Allie, you go.
Okay. Who is most likely to score a goal in soccer for the wrong team? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Allie.
I had it coming.
We all said Allie. Oh my god.
I was about to put Lainey, but then I was like, no, Lainey's
Yeah, me
like you
too.
guys are good soccer players. I was like, that would totally be it. I think so. When I was really little, I remember I was wearing a pink sweatshirt. I don't know why I remember that, but I remember looking down at it. Anyways, your turn, Lainey.
Who is most likely to... Oh, this is hard. Who's most likely to never get off of the couch and always just stay on the couch and watch TV? I feel bad doing this one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, we all know the answer.
3,
3, 2.
1.
Me.
Allie.
I
I'm
didn't
not
mean.
showing my
Yours is mine. I know. Because
Yeah.
Kylie's on the bottom of it.
I literally.
I
I'm
don't
so
like-
lazy.
So am I, but I don't like being lazy.
I thought you guys were all gonna
do sports, so you kind of.
Yeah, I can't
You
do
have
sports.
a
No,
like
like,
nothing
you can't
to
do
I
that.
thought you guys were all gonna say me because I literally just love watching just movies.
You
and
would
just
have.
laying right here.
I was gonna put you next, but then I was like, you guys are active CF soccer, so I didn't know.
I was gonna say myself.
I literally would just
but
lay
then
here
I was
my whole
like,
entire life.
honestly,
Just
I could
eating.
lay on the couch, but like I still want to do soccer. Like,
Honestly, I want to lay here right now. I'm so tired.
I'm sorry, Allie.
I don't care.
I should
Jeez,
say
no
you
one has
because
put
you don't
me.
do any
I don't
sports.
care.
so
No one
it's
has
like-
put me.
Okay, go.
Ready, Lane? Are we ready? Heather, your turn.
Who is most likely to spend over $100 on food?
Oh my gosh, I know this answer.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
All
All of us.
That's kind of true though. What did you put yourself?
Yeah.
I said
I
all
put
of
myself.
us.
I think yours.
We
is
all would
most
go to,
your
like-
lanes.
Round 3.
We're gonna do how many rounds do you want to do? Like
Let's
10.
do 10.
Okay.
Oh,
My
I
turn?
was just kidding. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Well,
go.
we'll do it. Okay. Who is most likely
Piper's
to?
like, oh,
Chicken nuggets.
we should put Piper also.
Who is most likely to? This is a long one. When you turn on the TV and it's like on a scary channel, be really scared the rest of the day. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Me.
Lainey.
I'm always paranoid.
because we got
No,
scared.
when we were talking about that stuff at your house, I was actually scared to go upstairs.
Oh, what? At my
Same.
house?
Same. I was scared to sleep.
I was scared.
What was that?
Don't you get scared, Mom?
Yeah, Kylie, really, just pick someone that answers Kylie because she wants to hurt you.
No, it's fine. I don't care.
It needs
I know one.
You know one?
Who's most likely to be
Oh, I have a
an
good one.
artist?
Who's most likely?
Oh, okay.
No.
That one's true. That one's
I don't
true.
want to be an artist though.
Yeah, but you're
Ready?
most likely to.
Three.
No, that's
two,
stupid.
one.
No,
Kylie.
no, because you guys were doing that on purpose.
No, it's not. Like, literally, you're so good. Like, you're good. I saw
no,
your-
like you're.
I can be talented at
No,
roses.
I know, but like you're trying to do that
I
on
can work for
purpose.
ours.
Okay, Allie, it's your turn.
Didn't I already go? I just said who's most likely to
Oh, yeah.
your channel. I have a good one for the next one.
Who is most likely to grow up and become like Jake Paul or Logan Paul, like be a YouTuber, but like a kind of bad YouTuber, like
Bad news.
like
Oh gosh, I don't want to do bad.
In-
None of us, I don't
Fine.
think, would be a bad.
Who's most likely to grow up and be a weird YouTuber?
3,
Allie.
2, 1. Me.
I didn't even get ready, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Allie, because she already has her own channel.
I could do weird news.
You
I
guys
could.
should do. You guys should start a channel together.
She was
I want to
No, I
have
don't
my
wanna do
own
it with
channel.
Start your own channel.
Yeah.
Start a family channel. Do a family vlog channel.
Yeah, Mom. You could learn
That's
that.
so fun. Your guys' family's so fun. That'd be a good, entertaining vlog channel.
You're so sweet.
You're
Guys,
welcome.
okay, go, Kylie.
Who's most likely to what do you think? I wasn't ready. Who's most likely to
Oh, I have one.
I need to think.
I have one. Can I do mine really quick?
No.
You'll do it after the next round.
Who's most likely to
It's a good one.
to like
Who's most likely to not know what to say on most likely?
Kylie.
who's most likely to I can't think of anything.
Think of a random situation. Think of a random one. Who's
How's
most
yours
Most
likely
likely
feet?
to wear matching socks, Kylie.
No, me,
Kylie.
Elena.
I'm wearing matching socks right now.
Okay, well, I found these because these are the only socks I have.
Kylie?
No, I wear mismatched
Who's
socks. My
who's
mom makes
most
me change
likely
them.
who's most likely to ditch their friends so they can stay at their house and eat food?
I got it.
I don't know.
Ready? Oh, I have like, I feel like that's like, I
That's
feel like
two
Lainey
of
wouldn't
us.
ditch her friends. It's 2 of us. Oh wait, I just.
Okay, 3,
Wow.
2, 1.
Kylie
and
or
Allie.
Kylie or Allie?
Round number 4.
Whoa.
Whoa, yeah.
Okay, I got it. Who's most likely to stay home all day and just be glued to their phone and
Oh.
can't get off of it?
Can we make a Kenna one for this?
Kenna. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Kylie.
Yeah, I knew it.
All right.
Kenna.
Kenna and Kylie. She's not even here. Piper.
Who is most
We
likely
should have made one for Piper.
to win?
That's what I said
Oh, you
earlier.
did?
Who is most likely to win a 5K race?
Oh my gosh, not me. I don't know.
You can do like 2 or something.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Me.
Kylie or Lainey. I don't know. They're both fast.
I like to run, so probably me.
I like to run too.
I'm the fastest person in my class. Just kidding. I wish.
Honestly, last year
I
when
don't
we did
know.
the-
I don't know who's the
last
fastest
year-
in my class. Yet.
Last year when we did the pacer test, I got the most laps out of all the girls in my class.
Same, man. I got the most laps too. How many did you get?
I got 50 something.
I got 58. 58.
Okay, your turn, Kylie.
58.
Oh, no, it's Lainey's turn.
Then
I
you
just
just
said
did the
that
5K.
5K one.
Oh gosh, you're like.
Oh, you did the 5K one? Oh.
Yeah, I did the phones.
Oh, well.
Wow, I don't have to think more.
Just don't even think of one. Just randomly start saying something.
That's what I tried to do last time. and it didn't
Likely
work.
to eat
most
5
likely?
bananas.
Who's most likely to join a sport, but they don't even know how to play the sport?
I know.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Allie. That's really true.
Bye.
You're like, which school is it? This school? And you score and then it's a gargle.
Okay,
No!
we're still talking about what happened. Okay,
Yeah.
so round number 5.
Round number 5.
She's have to
Okay.
think of I have to think of 5 more things to say.
This is like a good like a not like a funny really one, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. Who is most likely to be in church and when they're like, you know, doing the songs, most likely to raise up their hands and start singing?
It's not even
Ready?
3, 2,
2, 1.
Allie.
You said it.
I would never do that.
I always try to, but then I'm like, someone's gonna judge me, and I put my
could
hand down,
see
and I go
Elena,
like
I
this.
could never see Kylie.
No.
Like
I go like this and
I
close
go
my
like
eyes.
this.
I was that way.
I go
though.
like this or like this and close
I go
my
like
eyes.
this, Mom.
Piper, what are you doing?
I go like this sometimes.
I was crying today in worship.
I did too.
Yes.
I started
No,
getting
she messed
teary-eyed.
up. She messed up. She's like, don't. She
Oh,
said,
the other
don't
Jordan.
deserve
She's like,
She messed
I
up.
don't deserve it. I don't deserve it.
She said it twice. Like, I couldn't earn it. I
I
didn't
messed
deserve it.
up too.
Yeah.
You did?
In one another song.
You did good
I
though.
didn't even hear it.
You guys both did
I
good.
didn't notice.
You both did good.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's a really pretty voice.
She does have a very pretty voice.
It was a good-
Her mom was like crying and she like videotaped
Wait,
me. She's
is-
like,
No.
Wait, was that her
Don't ever
mom?
videoed me
yeah,
is
because
that-
we always hear you sing.
when I first sang.
Okay, go.
Well, I was a baby.
Hurry. Hurry.
Alright, guys.
Hurry.
Your turn, Lanes.
Who is most likely to eat? No, I'm not doing another eat one. We have done mostly eating
Most
ones.
likely to eat pens. Piper. Look down.
Pupsies. She
Most likely to
eats
eat
pencils
yummy
all the time.
pencils.
Who is most likely
Yeah, don't leave those pencils because Piper will eat them. Or pens.
to
Look
ditch,
at him.
run away,
He's
like
so
ditch their
cute.
family and like
Look
run
at
away
him.
and buy their own house at the age of like 12?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I know the answer.
I'm not even 12.
No, or like whatever age you are now.
3.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Wait, what was the
Okay.
question?
3. Who's most likely to ditch their family and buy their own house?
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Kylie.
I said Lane.
I think
No.
I think Kylie would ditch her family, but I don't think she'd raise it work to make the money to buy a house.
No, just like ditch your
What would
family.
you say?
Mommy, do you think I would?
No.
Not in a mean way, but like
Elena would not.
I would
Yeah,
never. I'm
I
too
would
scared.
never.
Have you?
I can't wait to move
Allie,
into my
I'm
own
too scared to
space.
even order food. I wouldn't want to
No,
go out on my
you're too
own.
scared. But you
That's
would-
true.
But you would want to move out. Elena will want to live with us forever, and I'll have to be pushing her out. When
By the
she's
age of
90.
59. Oh.
Wait,
Or
wait,
that.
who was that? Wait, was that Allie's?
No, that was Lainey's.
Oh shoot.
Your turn.
Who's, oh wait, I have one.
Okay.
Who's most likely to get a ton of animals?
Oh my gosh, that's so easy.
I know, that's why I said it.
3, 2, 1. Kylie. What if I was
I'm
like
literally planning on that.
Piper?
I'm literally planning on
Dookie.
That's what we were talking about last
I
night.
have one.
We were talking about that a little bit.
Who is
I was
most?
like, what if
Oh,
I'm having
I
an
gotta
older-
have a good
Oh,
one.
No, I have one. It's really simple.
Oh, and Chris
You
is
guys are
gone.
missing the simple ones. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Who is most likely to get their nose pierced?
Oh,
Quick. It's supposed to be.
I don't think this person would, but I'm just
I
doing
would.
it.
Oh,
Oh. 3, 2, 1. My
Wait, I didn't even have the thing ready. Lainey. I was gonna say.
what?
Lainey.
I
Yeah,
want my
man.
nose pierced.
Same.
I actually want my nose
Kidding.
pierced.
Do you
I
actually?
want-
Yes.
I want my double.
A ton of people at my school have it pierced and it looks cute.